Hello, my talk is particularly relevant to those of you who want to know deeply about jade plant and not just its propagation or care. And in the meantime, I will be showing you how I made bonsai out of my jades. It is not just jade plant 101, but a lot more than that in this video, few minutes of video. So welcome to day one plant of the day, jade plant. It is also called as lucky plant or money tree, scientifically known as Crassula ovata, native to South Africa, around 1300 species and 34 genera. But generally, what we mean by jade plant is that plant which have uh, round, succulent leaf, green leaves, or variegated or white leaves. But actually, jade plants have many variations. Like some of them have finger-like leaves, some have coral leaves, some gives red flowers. Some one variety is the string of buttons. That is also a jade plant. But in nursery, when we come across golem jade or bluebird jade, the nurseryman just tells us that it is a variety of crassula. He is not wrong, but wisdom is that what we know that all of them are jade. So it is a succulent and particularly hardy. You can take a small portion of stem and place it in water or soil or coco peat and it would root in 1 week. No, in wild leaves just fall out from the plant and start to root in 1 week. It also give flowers in 2-3 years, generally in the arid environment. That is their natural environment. Back to the video. Here I am uh, taking this bonsai pot and inserting this wire from the into the bottom and try to fix it so that it will not rotate. Side by side, let's talk more about the jade plants. So it have many traditional, cultural and medicinal significance. In the traditional Chinese medicine, it is used to treat fever and diarrhea, but that was century old practice. Now no scientific research actually proves that. Yes, I am not saying medical effects were not there at that time, but then uh, from then to now we had come across many mutations and the jade plant also have come across many mutations. So its medical effects may or may not work now on us, but yet it is a feng shui plant for sure. According to Vastu, it should be placed in east directions and it brings fortune and many other positive things about them. Negative thing being it is poisonous. Yes, it is not pet friendly and can seriously upset your pet stomach or for that matter human stomach. And as of care, minimum manure is sufficient, needs bright light. Note that it is not an indoor plant. It needs less water as it utilizes the photosynthetic pathway that bears its family name crassulacean acid metabolism or CAM. And the this name CAM is derived from these crassulacean means uh, jade plant belongs to the family crassulacean and the jade plant are the only one where all the species of plant fall into the follow the CAM metabolism. Unlike C3 and C4 plants, in CAM plants, stomata are closed during daytime to minimize transpiration and hence water loss is minimal. And in cooler, humid night time, stomata opens and take up CO2 and store in vacuoles as malic acid. And next day, the malic acid is released into the chloroplast.
हाँ
And
वीडियो
after
अपलोड करूँगा.
that, malic acid is converted into CO2. The CO2 is released into the Calvin cycle of photosynthesis, and because of this acidic malic acid, pineapple is sour because of that. Because pineapple plant also follow CAM.